Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Google review permanently. Whether you left a review by mistake or simply want to remove an old one, I'll guide you through the steps. Let's get started. First, you need to log into the Google account you used to leave the review. Make sure you're logged into the current account before proceeding. Next, open Google Maps. You can do this either on your computer by going to maps.google.com or your mobile device using the Google Maps app. Once you're in Google Maps, click on the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines located in the top left corner of the screen. Or you can simply find the contribute button on the in the left button. In your contribution, switch to the review tabs. Here you'll see a list of all the reviews you've written. Scroll through the list to find the review you want to delete. After you confirm, your review will be deleted permanently. It might take a few moments for the changes to reflect across all devices. Remember, once you delete a review, it's gone forever, so make sure you really want to delete it before you confirm. If you have any issues or the review doesn't disappear immediately, try refreshing the page or restarting the app. And that's it, you've successfully deleted your Google review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.